Coactation, how will you discover? Common clinical presentation. You like to say? Hypertension. You are evaluating hypertension and you identify it. That is a late presentation. Early presentation can be assessed with birth, at birth. So they will present with CHF signs like poor feeding, but that was not available here. So it's more likely hypertension. 50-year-old, this is a beautiful question. This shows how you are ready for the WHO and the American Diabetic Association definition of defining diabetes. What is your answer, doctor? Diabetes you want to say? Why? More than 110, is it making you to remember it as diabetes or more than 210? So basically you need to know this table, doctor. Definitely questions are asked and it is also common question asked in the OPD by the patient. Fasting more than 110. 2 hours post glucose load more than 180. Either of them, even if fasting is more than 110 also, diabetes. Then impaired glucose tolerance is less than 110 fasting. It is not R, it is end 24-hour glucose load, which is more than 120 but less than 180. Similarly, fasting hyperglycemia is more than 100 but 2 hours post glucose load, it is less than 120 if it is measured. To define impaired fasting glucose, you don't need to do 2 hours. 2 hours post glucose load all the times. Okay. Anakinra, one monoclonal antibody, IL-1 antagonist it is. 65-year-old undergoing hip replacement, hemoptysis. CD pulmonary angiogram will make you diagnose pulmonary embolism. This is a difficult question. 70, beautiful. You need to maintain above 65 ideally. Injury to spinal accessory nerve, dropped shoulder, sternocleidomastoid, trapezius, both of them are supplied. Now X-ray shows collapsed left lower lobe lung. That means it is a centrally located tumor. Only 2 tumors which are centrally located are squamous and small cell. So what is the important paraneoplastic effect of small cell? Hypo? SIADH, which lead to development of hyponatremia. ATM may what is not a responsible cause except that's where some hallucination comes that diuretics also cause. Radio contrast causes heavy metals, hypoxic ischemic injury, anything can lead to the development of acute tubular necrosis. What is except? You don't find it in hereditary spherocytosis, but in HBE disease it is found. Now, Anakinra, IL-1 antagonist. Polyvalent snake bite antivenom. Which type of immunoglobulin reaction is the antivenom? This is Arthur's reaction. So Arthur's reaction is actually not 2. Arthur's is type 3. That's what. There's a correction in the key. Now, radio-opaque stone, sir. Calcium, oxalate, that's good. Low cardiac output is not a feature in, which is a high output failure. Sepsis, very good. Because there is a vasodilatation in sepsis. Hyperdynamic circulation, not a low cardiac output. So what is the contraindication for doing Balloon valvotomy for a tight mitral stenosis is an important question. You like to say? Heavily calcified mitral valve precludes. What was your wrong answer, Asha? Pulmonary hypertension, that is contraindication for correcting congenital heart diseases like ASD, VSD. Got it? So left atrial embolus, thrombus, calcified valve, concomitant coronary artery or valve disease. Anyway, you need to do bypass for them. Then why to do this balloon mitral valvotomy? Bypass karo. Anyway, you need to put the patient on heart-lung machine. Usi वक्त mitral valve replacement कर दो. Or moderate to severe MR is concomitant with MS. Then don't try to further muddle with the valve and further worsen the regurgitation. Beautiful question. Uveitis is present in ANA positive type of a juvenile rheumatoid arthritis. Neurocysticercosis. How do you get it? Undercooked pork? Wow, I thought you will go wrong. Same question is going to come in state entrance. If you are in democratic group, you will answer this wrong. You must be in the dictatorial group of the top 200 rankers. Below. You also answer undercooked pork. A common misconception, doctor. What you need to remember is cysticercosis is caused by the larval cysts of the pork tapeworm. The name is pork tapeworm. An individual acquires the cysticercosis from ingesting the eggs excreted by a person who has an intestinal tapeworm. People living in the same household with a tapeworm carrier has a high risk. It is not by the undercooked pork. Undercooked pork खाने से क्या मिलेगा? टेपवर्म इन्फेक्शन मिलेगा. टेपवर्म इन्फेक्टेड का आदमी के फीसेस से कंटामिनेटेड हुए फूड खाने की वजह से क्या मिलेगा? एग्स मिलेगा और उसकी वजह से cysticercosis आएगा. This question comes in state entrance. You have to at least come for the post test discussion. We want to say goodbye last time to all of you. So meniscus is which type of collision? Type 1. Beautiful. 32-year-old long distance truck driver means HIV. So you need to give cotrimoxazole for pneumocystis carniae and he is presenting with ARDS. This is a super duper question, doctor. What was your answer? No, next one. Metabolic, only metabolic acidosis. You don't want to add anything? Metabolic. Why did you think metabolic acidosis, Asha? pH is 7.2. CO2 is not elevated. If it is elevated, then more than 40, then you call respiratory acidosis. Being 35, normal CO2 means there is no respiratory depression. And also PaO2 is normal only, 130. Unlikely that there is respiratory depression. If there is no respiratory depression, there is no respiratory acidosis. It is a pure metabolic acidosis. Pure metabolic acidosis. So always what is the simple rule? Rule number 1. Look at the pH. Whenever you have a acid base disturbance question. Less than 7.35 acidotic, alkalotic is more than 7.45. Second, you look whether any respiratory involvement. Second is not metabolic, respiratory involvement. Normal PaCO2 is 35 to 45. More than 45 is respiratory acidosis, less than 35 is hyperventilating individual. So respiratory alkalosis. Next you determine metabolic involvement. Bicarb normally is 22 to 26. Less than 22 is metabolic acidosis. More than 26 is Metabolic alkalosis is what you need to remember. Then comes the base excess. Normal is -2 to +2. And acidosis means base excess will be less than -2. Metabolic alkalosis means base excess will be more than +2. In turn, it will help you to grade the severity of the metabolic acidosis. So, mild, moderate, marked, severe based upon the amount of base excess. This is the simple approach. Rodents, what is except? Malaria is not associated with a rat bite but by a mosquito bite. HLA B27 is which? Type 1, eh? Very good. Then ototoxic. Penicillin is not ototoxic. Interferon is ototoxic. Anybody thought interferon? No? You thought that? That's how ranks are spread. Now, mechanical ventilation. Difficult question. Mechanical ventilation is a high yield topic, but itna specific values of mechanical ventilation be pad liye to too much expectation. You need to remember, mean airway pressure is decided by peak inspiratory pressure, peak respiratory rate, inspiratory time and expiratory time. Only they are the deciding factors, not oxygen concentration of inspired air, is what need to be remembered. Raju has got some refreshment, cool drinks for you or not? You come Wednesday, we will also arrange Hyderabad Nizamiya biscuits along with tea, fuming tea and a fuming discussion of the paper. What a combination. So, patient with severe interscapular pain, type B dissection of aorta. I thought to go for a 3-week vacation from April, but for this unexpected turnout of the once more re-exam, is always a pleasure to be back with you all. So, type B dissection, tell me doctor, what is your answer? Beta blockers. So, you must know the Stanford classification, DeBakey, where medical treatment, where surgical treatment. Whenever ascending aorta is involving, aortic root is involved, there surgical. Remaining situations, medical is more important. Long-term domiciliary oxygen is good for a COPD. After eating a very large Sunday lunch, patient vomits. You like to say tear? What do you thought? Why not? Why not lower esophageal tear? Why do you want to think rupture? But he is in shock. He is in shock. Shadowing in the left lower zone is an important clue. So, whenever Boyer-Harvey syndrome occurs, the tear occurs in the left posterolateral aspect of the distal esophagus, which extends over several centimeters. So, left lower zone shadowing is a clue to say there is a rupture. Deal? Now, beautiful question. What is your answer? 7.6, because it is total calcium plus 0.8 into 4 minus serum albumin. 0.8 into 4 minus 2 is 1.6. Type 1 respiratory failure. What is your answer, doctor? Type 1 respiratory failure is pneumonia. Already we discussed parenchymal level problem is pneumonia, type 1. Hypoxia with normal CO2. High CO2 with low oxygen is type 2. Medium vessel vasculitis. One question on vasculitis. Kawasaki and PAN. Beautiful. So, Burger, PAN, Kawasaki, cutaneous vasculitis are all medium. Polymyalgia rheumatica, Takayasu temporally is large. Everything else is small. SVT, adenosine. Then meconium aspiration is defined as severe by what criteria? Dirty question. But it is a high yield topic once more. Meconium aspiration, transient tachypnea of newborn, and hyaline membrane disease. Definitely any entrance you go, this question will come. What is your answer? Possible answer. Guess, Madhu. Basically, mild is they require less than 40% oxygen for less than 48 hours. Moderate is more than 40% for more than 48 hours with no air leak. Severe is they require ventilation for more than 48 hours. I think the fellow who defined, that is Wiesel, who proposed, is very obsessive on 48 figure. That is important for meconium. Stillbirths, another difficult question. What percentage? Guess, Maro. But recent state APPG, according to formula, 125 questions achievable, 75 questions remaining may 50% were luck based, 50% guess based. Similar thing will happen once more if they conduct also. But that 125, if you are not hitting the bullseye, you will be shaky. So that 125 common people supposed to answer. First wo khatam karna, perfectly answer karna. Remaining guess and luck is not in your hands. It is guess is in your hands, luck is not in your hands. But if you cross that first 125 khatam kare to, just like Dr. MD final exam mein, you will have short cases, long cases. The main long case acha kare to, finished. Examiner will take a decision to clear your MD. Short cases, evening vivavos, then pleasantry exchange with the examiner, what profession, what you want to be consultant, do you want to DM, all those good questions he will ask. He is asking all those questions means you are almost passed. But if he says, are you a PhD doctor earlier? Through service quota did you take the seat? Such questions if he is asking means he is going to fail us and next 6 months later we need to come in MD final. So long case, the way it is important, 125 questions come from those list of 1200 high yield topics which I gave. Still one more chance to live. Luck and fortunes can change. Try your best. So what is the answer? 10%. Transposition of great weather may, which procedure you don't use? Fontans you don't use. I leave the literature for you. Rastali is, all Ellis are all Italians. They are very good in model design. Is Italy is known for best designs. So they design the surgery where you do the correction of transposition. So I leave the literature for you, where to use Fontaine, etc., etc. Now, commonest cause of the cardiac tamponade? Yes. Hydrops. It can't be commonest. Commonest is what we do on patient, other than what is the patient is born with. A central line which is migrating is responsible. What was the wrong answer? You wrote central line. Good. Facial hypertrophy is not seen in Pendred, you don't see, but Klippel Trenoi, everything you will see. Mechanical ventilation, what is not an indication out of all this? For the mechanical ventilation. So now you know that mechanical ventilation is also a very high yield topic for the MD entrance. 7.22 to 7.24 is not an indication. For mechanical ventilation, less than 7.2 pH is the indication. Common sense. CMV infection may most common sequel is, you like to say? Sensorineural hearing loss. Renal vein thrombosis, what is accept? What is your answer? Shilpa? D, super. Give a big clap to Shilpa. Loud clap, that's good. Umbilical vein catheterization, not artery, not the artery catheterization. What about B, dehydration? Most common cause of renal vein thrombosis. Most common cause. On that, कुछ शक होने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Now, severe structural congenital heart disease, another luck-based question. What is your answer? Shamim? 6 to 8 per 1,000 live births. Lewis. This is our favorite question. What is that? Duffy dies, Kelly kills, Louis lives. Where Harry meets Sally. What, there was a movie, no? So Duffy blood group dies, Kelly will kill, and Louis will live, is what you need to remember. Which is not a pervasive developmental disorder. Depression is not. Rett's, autism, Asperger, they are all considered to be pervasive developmental disorders. Erlenmeyer flask deformity, big list है, बहुत लंबा लिस्ट, ऊपर से by the time you look down you will get vertigo. What is that list में which is not there? Histiocytosis was not there. Gaucher, Niemann-Pick thalassemia are there. Sickle cell is there. Osteopetrosis is there. Metaphyseal dysplasias are there. So what is that? If you take a femoral radiograph, there is a constriction of the diaphysis and flaring of the metaphysis. Diaphysis means shaft. Constriction of the shaft with the flaring of the metaphysis is the Erlenmeyer. What is cul-de-sac? Which one you can't? Bubble anyway we can, blood we can identify in that, and ovary we can see. I think lymph node. I am not very sure, but double bubble is duodenal atresia. Positive Murphy is in cholecystitis. This is another dirty luck based question. Don't worry. Any entrance I say false positive questions will be there. कुछ luck का परीक्षा करो जल्दी before going to exam. Yes, there is one table in that small points are picked up and asked as a question. Sagittal plane translation more than 45 mm or 15%. Sagittal plane rotation more than 15 degrees at L1, L2, L3, L4. L2, L3, L4, but at L4, L5 more than 20, but not more than 45. Colonic diverticulosis, true or a false diverticulum? It is basically doesn't contain all the three layers. Most common donor site for the repair of the eye is contralateral upper eyelid. Contralateral upper eyelid, because that gives the same color. Because our color and our friend's color will not match. And esophageal orifice, Voice of America. Vena cava T8, off is esophageal T10 and T12 is aortic. Intestinal obstruction is due to? No. Additions. Between large intestine and small intestine, which is more common to be obstructed? Large intestine. I still feel additions is a better answer. One more question was also asked, I believe. Small intestine was also asked. Will probably this require correction. Ranula is it is not a cannula. What is your answer? Mucus retention cyst you want to say, or mucus extravasation cyst with the rupture of the duct of the sublingual salivary gland. Life becomes miserable. This comes under 125 questions out of 200 expected to be answered by everybody. If you missed this, 100 minus karo from your ranks, right? Unless you get some grace marks in that luck factor. Which is not RCH1 program. Ramya is asking 112. What is the correct answer? What was 112 question? The same one we are arguing. 112. Ramya want to know. What is that? Eyelid. Ramya thinks post-auricular skin. But the most common is the point in this. Repair of the eyelid trauma. I leave the literature for you. In that it is given as contralateral upper eyelid. Okay. Now doctor, which is not a component of RCH1 program. Try an answer. Introduction of ASHA worker is basically in, which is introduced in NRHM is in 2005. RCH1 is 1997 to 2004. RCH2 is 2005. So, superior, inferior. Superior is from 4th and inferior is from 3rd. Acute small bowel obstruction is addition. CA99 is carcinoma pancreas. Gastrinoma triangle is bound by cystic duct and common bile duct junction and neck and body junction and the second and third part. Good. Commonest site of colorectal cancer, rectosigmoid. Early gastric carcinoma is based on, anybody thought submucosal spread? No. Good. Then 24-year-old typhoid ileal perforation, classically, with abdominal guarding everything. Flail chest, because during inspiration, instead of bulging out, it is getting sucked inside. Then commonest cancer in the males globally, lung. You thought colon? Eh? No. Prostate. Eh? Colon. Oral. In India. Yes, that's right. Because our tobacco chewing is higher. But worldwide, due to HPV transmission, due to oral salivary secretion exchange, famous actor to get a oral HPV is Michael Douglas, one of the wonderful voices. But he acted in a lot of movies where bold scenes were there. So ultimately a victim of oral malignancy. So in the evaluation of acute abdomen, imaging modality that is cornerstone of assessment is, you thought ultrasound? No. Focused CT. Now, acute ischemic ulcer of the leg, Berger, thromboangiitis. Then what is accept about the diverticulae? They are not secondary to esophageal motility, but Jenker is pulsion. Pulsion diverticulae are false. Most are false. Now, posterior wall peptic ulcer will gastroduodenal artery. How does a gastroesophageal reflux presents? Classically, patient comes with nocturnal cough. Lot of people evaluate him unnecessarily for TB. There is nothing unnecessary about it. TB can be evaluated even if it comes wrong, negative, good. But investigation is never unnecessary in this country. So nocturnal cough. 56-year-old chronic consumer of alcohol comes with shock. You like to say? Endoscopic ligation, Correct. Giving octreotide is resuscitation or treatment? That's a big challenge. Octreotide is the drug of choice for the management of an acute variceal bleeding. Acute variceal bleeding. Vasopressin is also effective, but it is less often because of the serious adverse effects. Definitive treatment, if you are asked, then therapeutic endoscopy with endoscopial variceal ligation is the preferred therapy. I am not sure what exactly examiner had in mind. Ischemic colitis, splenic flexure. 18 hours after acute traumatic femoral artery injury. It is a classical case of compartment syndrome. Dentate is a junction between endo and the ectoderm. This is another dirty question. Luck. It's a well-known factor. 14 plus or minus 5. So that makes 25. Oh, good. Very good. So Elias pressure actually 8 to 25 mm Hg. But if you convert that into water, it turns out to be what was the answer? 25 centimeters of water. Now, temporomandibular dislocation, dentist, MDS wala question. What is accept? What is the answer? C. Treatment can be manual reduction. Mouth is fixed open, trismus and mandible protrusion. Mandible protrusion. Most common cause of the lateral recess stenosis. Where is that lateral recess? Spinal cord, vertebra. So once more, उलझन superior या inferior के बीच में उलझन है. What is your answer? Between superior and inferior, what do you prefer? Yeah. Question number 141. I am happy. Ramya, Syed, Fatima, very active online. So please punch your answer. You wrote B, superior. Ziaul Haq, B. Very good. So degenerative changes of superior articular recess will lead to recess stenosis. It is also called superior facet syndrome. Is the other name given for that. That's good. Most common radiographic finding in lateral epicondylitis is? Actually, I didn't verify the answer for this question. We'll come back. If there is a recurrence, what is the main factor deciding recurrence? Age. Absolutely. 21 to 30 years के बीच में डिसलोकेशन हुए तो जिंदगी तमाम डिसलोकेशन होते ही रहते. Age is most important factor. Freezer is avascular necrosis of scaphoid. Because you didn't study that. So by exclusion you will answer. So, but everyone will answer by exclusion. If you answered, that is also there. So any such questions common to the 125 only. Glenohumeral joint at 90 degrees of abduction, maximum axial rotation. Another very difficult question. क्योंकि एक लंबा लिस्ट है. Ligamentous restraints on different arm positions. Whenever external rotation is 90 degrees, it is the inferior glenohumeral ligament. Whenever it is in abducted position. So IGHL is important. Os acromial, another, Jammu Kashmir orthopedics is bone breaking orthopedics. But fir bhi, once more, what is the point to carry home? Out of 19 subjects, 2 to 3 examiners will be cranky questions lagate. That doesn't mean entire paper will be hard like that. What is your answer? Unless it is APPG paper, where multiple examiners will be sitting to put cranky questions. So what is your answer? Guess? No, difficult. Basically, acromion has 4 ossification centers: preacromion, meso, meta and basiacromion. So you have os acromial. A non-union between meso and meta is the most common type of os acromial. Jefferson is a hyperextension fracture of the spine, which is a fibrous joint, middle, because you have an interosseous membrane. Then Hangman is a spondylolisthesis of, anybody thought atlantoaxial? No, axis, good. Codman's paradox is what? Yeah, sure. Codman's paradox is what? Anytime you heard? Basically, it is based on the rotation of the arm. 3 to 4 times when you rotate, arm goes into a different, I leave the literature for you. I was also not very sure, but the explanation print will help you. Nuclear cataract, what happens to refractive index? It typically increase the refractive index. Retinitis pigmentosa, what are the features? We find a pale disc, narrow vessels, bony spicules. Attenuation of vessels it's called, because of that hyperpigmentation. Vessels look narrowed. There is a pigment dispersion in that. Retinoscopy by hypermetropia will be against or with. With movement is hypermetropia, against movement is myopia. Retinopathy of prematurity, how do you want to treat? You have 2 options, cryotherapy and laser therapy. After the advent of laser therapy, cryotherapy became obsolete. Okay, so what will you do? Peripheral retinal ablation is the mainstay of the treatment of retinopathy of prematurity. Rhabdomyosarcoma of the orbit, how do you want to treat? Earlier days they used to do exenteration of the orbit, but the new protocol proposes radiation followed by chemotherapy. Once more, I leave the literature for you. Agonist antagonist muscles in the eye, Sherrington's. Herring is, for the conjugate movements, there should be equal innervation to the yoke muscles, is the Herring law. Dislocated lens is a feature of Ehlers-Danlos. Fusion is the cortical unification. There are 2 types of fusion: motor fusion, sensory fusion. So amblyopia is one of the very high yield topic for MD entrance. Sensory fusion, motor fusion, I leave the literature for you. Vector of loba is simulum or chrysops? Sorry, chrysops. Correct answer should be B, not C. Correction. Simulum for river blindness. Good. Onchocerciasis. Good. Stem cells of the cornea, where are they located? limbus. So in the limbus there are palisades of Vogt where you find the stem cells. Nasal resistance. Whenever you exercise, always it is a good thing for many things in the body, including the nasal orifices. So common cold is lesser if you exercise. If you drink alcohol, common cold is more because nasal resistance is increased. There is everything related. Tolosa, till now I didn't understand. Whenever it rains, when we go out and then dance in the rain and come back, we get common cold. Why? As in, I asked her many times, my grandma. After that also no textbook explains. Suddenly it rains, you go and soak, dance and come and then you catch common cold. Kyo? No one knows. Do you have a reason anywhere? Has there in pathophysiology of rain soaking leading to? But the rains in city are all acid rains. You need to go to some forest and soak. Tolosa Hunt doesn't involve hypoglossal. Tolosa Hunt is cavernous sinus involvement. So you have third, fourth and sixth involvement is periorbital pain, loss of sensation in the fifth nerve. Superior semicircular canal dehiscence. You will do labyrinthectomy, you will do the repair of the dehiscence and you avoid the stimuli that provoke. But there is no role for tympanostomy tube. Tympanostomy tube. Now doctor, fluctuating hearing loss is not a feature of cochlear autosclerosis, but it is a feature of syphilis associated labyrinthitis, Meniere's and perilimb. Cochlea means what, doctor? Hearing or balance? Hearing. And balance is labyrinth. Right? So, but Meniere's, syphilis, perilymphatic fistula, sarcoidosis, they are all the causes of fluctuating hearing loss. Schwannoma. It involves trigeminal. So there is a loss of, there is anesthesia in the posterior aspect of external auditory canal, which is called Heiselberger's sign in schwannoma. How do you define giant tumors? More than 4.5 is giant, more than 3.5 is large, is what you need to know. What is except about otosclerosis? Fluoride levels जहां कम है वहां otosclerosis incidence high. That's the point. Fluctuant hearing loss. Once more, tinnitus. Vestibular pathology doesn't lead. In the management of RH isoimmunized pregnancy, how do you know fetal anemia, doctor? It is the peak systolic velocity of the middle cerebral artery is an important predictor, is what you need to remember. First trimester mein, what is the best investigation? Crown gestational sac is the best predictor. Crown rump length in the first trimester. All that fructose smell of the semen is due to, from where the fructose comes from, seminal vesicle. And the right direction of the pull of the forceps, one maneuver to jarur pucha jayega. What was your wrong answer, Shamim Bede? Huh? Pajot you thought, super duper, correct answer. Huh? So, already Mauritius similarity, you know. Application of the suprapubic pressure to expel the after coming head is called Navjot maneuver. And delivery of the occiput posterior breech variety is called Prague's maneuver. then the right direction of the pull of the forceps is Peugeot's. And what is Chrysler's maneuver? Fundal pressure is done during uterine contractions to guide the head of the pelvis and maintain its flexion. So many maneuvers, Robert's maneuver, etc., etc. Lowsett's maneuver, Mauritius Similibet, etc. Ejaculatory fluid mainly derives from seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle supplies that viscous alkaline 60% component of semen. Pregnant women, cerebral malaria. What do you want to give? Quinine. Quinine, artesunate. Artesunate will be a better choice. Every 1 hour rupture of membranes के बाद luck based question. 2% increase of HIV transmission. Vaginal dinoprostrone versus PGE2 gel. ये दोनों में what is the advantage of a tablet? Any prostaglandin basically lead to hyperstimulation. अगर tablet है तो निकाल सकते, gel है तो you can't scrape it off, no? So that is the only difference, advantage of placing a vaginal tablet. Now, biophysical profile doesn't include CST, contraction stress test is not a part. Fetal movement, fetal tone, fetal breathing, AF volume, they are all implicated. BRAF-HCG, pre-treatment values, what is it important for? There is a modified WHO prognostic scoring system. One of the components of that is tumor size, pre-treatment, serum HCG, which will be able to enable you to discover the degree of risk and prognosis. Right? So what is the best way to measure? It is the gestational sac, which is the best way. Destructive procedures के लिए what is the contraindication? Actually, I need to verify the answer with an obstetrics friend. I'll come back on this. Now, 35-year-old lady, moderate dysplasia, you want to do colposcopy and if required biopsy and then confirm. Then commonest non-obstetrical problem is acute appendicitis. So endometrial staging, definite question in entrance. What is your answer? Stage 1A or 1B? 1B होता है more than half myometrial involvement. Less than half myometrial is 1A. हाँ, oh, outer बोले तो that is all right, more than half हो गया. So I think the answer should be changed to stage 1B. Okay, agreed. Yolk sac, when will you visualize? Lucky number. Common question. 10 mm is the criteria. Ovarian malignancy बोलने के लिए what are the criteria? Unilocular is a feature of, multilocular is a feature of malignancy, not unilocular. So benign versus malignant. Malignant size is more than 10. Multilocular is malignant. Irregular, poorly defined is malignant. Debridinous is malignant. Phenytoin induces P450. So that OCP effects will come down. So this is all the story, doctor, of the JKMD questions. Once more on Wednesday evening, afternoon 2 to 5 we'll have a test and 5 to 8 discussion. Once more on next Sunday until exam. Thank you.